It's bending boundaries, which is a lot of fun, and it's everything you've seen here can be done on any of the machines we have here.
So this gantry, this part is the same on both machines. It's the same width overall, but the depth is different.
There's lots of people who don't want to have to build their machine. They want to open it up and have it on the floor and ready to go. My issue with that is if something goes wrong and you didn't assemble your machine, you don't necessarily know what part does what. The Facebook group that we have is, I haven't seen a single negative comment on it in the 5 years I've worked around here. Other companies, I can't say that I noticed the same thing. There was people asking beginner questions and they were kind of being put down a little bit. I'm like, everybody's got to start somewhere. I don't want to go somewhere where I'm going to feel stupid because I ask a stupid question. Our Facebook groups are fantastic. So we kind of push people to check out the Facebook group first if you have a question.